नमस्ते। मैं पीयूष पंच प्रिंसिपल सेंट विवेकानंद मिलेनियम स्कूल HMT टाउनशिप इंजौर हरियाणा. I'm very happy to declare that my students Nikhil Sharma, Mahak Sharma, and Nandini Kaushal, they have achieved wonderful result in the CBSE board exam 2020. These students are not only good in academics, they have been performing very well in other aspects and co-curricular activities also. My humble request to all the parents, please let your children develop some co-curricular activities and I'm sure they will be doing good in academics also. I thank AKS Education who has made an arrangement to do online honoring ceremony of all these students. My special thanks to the organizers for giving such a platform where these students will be now recognized not only in India but abroad also. Namaste, I am Piyush Punj, Principal, St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore, Haryana. I thank AKS Education for conducting this online honoring ceremony for the students of plus 2. This is a new thing that because in COVID, we all are confined to our homes, and these students who have done excellently good in their academic performance in the board results, they need to have a pat on the back, and AKS Education World has done this activity. I congratulate my students Ishita, Rashi Sharma, Isha Bharti, and Gunjan, who are the toppers from our school. These students have done well in other fields also, whether it is a social activity or it is a cultural activity or a performing activity. These students have done good over there also. So I convey my heartily wishes not only to these students, to all the students who will be honored today through this platform.
Namaste everyone. First of all, I wanted to thank AKS Education for providing me a chance to share my story at this platform. I am Ishita, a student of St. Vivekanand Millennium School. Recently, I have passed class 12 with a score of 95.6% and have achieved first position in my school. I strongly want to give the credit of this score to my teachers, parents and my God. They pushed me to do my best. There was never any pressure from their side. They just stood with me every time. All those assignments, tests, doubt classes, revision sessions, they all encouraged me and made me more confident for my exams, as well as I used to study 7 to 8 hours every day. After my midterm, I was going through a rough time and I wasn't sure that I will be making it or not. But my teachers and parents showed me that I am important and helped me to get through that tough time. I want to thank each and every person associated with my success, especially my teachers and my parents, my school. Thank you for being supportive. Thank you for making me believe in myself. I could not imagine pulling myself up to that level. Thank you for creating such a great environment for learning where we were encouraged to express our views, our opinions, and our thoughts. Teachers, parents, and God shows you the right path, and rest all depends upon your hard work because there is no substitute of hard work. And turning out to be a topper, it's also a surprise for me. Thank you.
Namaste and my humble greetings to everyone. Myself Rashi Sharma and I recently cleared my 12th standard from St. Vivekanand Millennium School from Commerce Stream. I bagged third position in my school and I stood first in my stream. I want to express my humble gratitude towards AKS Education for National School Toppers Award. If I talk about success, there is no shortcut to success. The only way through which we can achieve it is hard work. To work harder and be better and make a dent wherever we can is the only way through which success will come to us. And if I talk about my parents, I was born to incredible parents. Amazing parents who encouraged me and motivated me at every point of my life. If I talk about my teachers, I'm so honored and privileged to have such kind of school and teachers who motivated, supported, encouraged me wherever I need their support, and school which provided me with every possible opportunity that will help me to be a better person and for brightening my future. Thank you.
Namaste. A special thanks to AKS Education for providing me a platform to share my experience. I am Isha Bharti, student of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, and recently I have passed my 12th standard in medical stream with the score of 93%. And this became possible only because of my supportive parents, dedicated, hardworking teachers, school staff, principal sir, vice principal ma'am, director ma'am, and all. I jointly scored 99 marks in fine arts and 95 marks in biology. And due to dedication of my teachers and school staff, I was able to score that much without any coaching or tuition center. And now I can just express my views with the words. My heartfelt thank you to my teachers, my parents, to all of them. Thank you.
मैं आचार्य ऋषि शर्मा सेंट विवेकानंद मिलेनियम स्कूल में हिंदी अध्यापक पद पर नियुक्त हूँ। इस सत्र में 19-20 में हमारे विद्यालय के छात्रों द्वारा उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन किया गया, जिसमें निखिल शर्मा, नंदिनी कौशल और महक शर्मा मौजूद थे। उन्होंने अपनी प्रतिभा का उच्चतम स्तर पर जो प्रदर्शन किया, उससे हम अपने आप को गौरवान्वित महसूस कर रहे हैं। यहाँ पर मैं AKS एजुकेशन अवार्ड को धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि उन्होंने ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म बच्चों को प्रोवाइड करवाया है जिससे उनका उत्साहवर्धन हो रहा है, क्योंकि बच्चों को ऐसा अगर प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता रहे तो बच्चे अपने जीवन में बहुत तरक्की करेंगे। बच्चों के अगर हम बात करें तो उनमें जो उन्होंने अपनी उत्तम परीक्षा परिणाम सामने लेकर के आए हैं, उसमें उन्होंने अपनी प्रतिभा का जो चयन किया था वो निरंतर अभ्यास, निरंतर कार्य करते रहना, निरंतर अग्रसर रहना, उत्साहित रहना, प्रेरणा इत्यादि इत्यादि गुणों को अपनाया था। तो इसके लिए मैं आप सभी को जो इस सत्र में प्रथम स्थान पर, द्वितीय स्थान पर, तृतीय स्थान पर आए हैं, सभी को बधाई देता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Namaste, I am Nandini Kaushal, a student of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, currently studying in class 11 Science. Firstly, I am very thankful to AKS Education Awards for organizing National School Toppers Award. I have achieved 94.4% marks in class 10 boards. I would really like to appreciate the efforts made by my school and teachers which helped me to score 100 marks in maths. I am very grateful to the principal of our school, Mr. Piyush Pun sir, who always encouraged me to do better. My success is a result of my hard work along with the support and motivation of my parents and teachers. Thank you.
My name is Nikhil Sharma. I read in class 11th in St. Vivekanand Millennium School. I am topper of my school in class 10 CBSE board examinations. I have scored highest marks in science, social science and Hindi. I thank AKS Education Awards for giving me National School Toppers Award. Discipline and hard work is the key of my success. I also thank my school teachers and my parents to help me and keep me motivated to do my best.